To our maths class as our lesson number 3. Time is going on. Subtopic reading clocks. Learning objectives to know how to read time in clock, to read time in hours, to understand relation of hours and minutes, to represent time in hours and minutes correctly. As in our previous session, we have learned time to the half hour. Now, let's do, children. See, read this. Visit to a national park. Shaheen and Deepak visited a national park as a part of their school picnic. They thought of recording their observation according to the time. Read their observation and show the time of their observation on the given clock. Here their observation time has given, see, 11 o'clock, 11:30, 12:30, 2 o'clock. Here observation time is given. According to this time, you have to draw the hands on the clock. Okay, short hand and the long hand on the clock. I will do one example for you, children. Next example you have to do. Now, at 9:30, we saw little birds flying around. Deepak was very excited to see them. Our teacher told us that they are called bee eaters. Children, bee eaters are the flying insect eaters, especially the bee. Okay? They observe this bee eater at 9:30. Then you have to draw a hour hand and minute hand on this clock. Okay? See, children, time is given 9:30. Then the short hand or the hour hand is in between 9 and 10. And the minute hand is at 6 o'clock. Children, keep in your mind, whenever you are drawing the hands for the minute and hour, if the time is given in the half an hour, means in 9:30, or then you have to draw the long hand or the minute hand. Always a minute hand should be on 6, because it complete half circle from 12 to 6. It completes half circle, means it is indicating it completes half an hour. Next question. We wandered till 11 o'clock but did not see any animals. We saw different kinds of trees. We found them very interesting. We means Shaheen and Deepak. They both visited to a national park and they are recording here their observations. Okay, at 11 till 11 o'clock they wandered, but they did not see any animals. Okay, only they saw different kinds of trees. Okay, now 11 o'clock, for that you have to draw here, children, as before also I have explained you. 11 o'clock means the hour hand is on 11 and the minute hand is on the 12. Children, as just now I have told you, if you are drawing the hands for the half an hour or 30 minutes, then the minute hand should be on 6, because it complete half circle from 12 to 6. And if you are drawing the hands for the exact time or 11 o'clock, then you have to always, whatever time is given, then the minute hand should be on 12. If 11 o'clock, then the hour hand on the 11 and the minute hand is on the 12. If instead of here it is given 9 o'clock, then hour hand should be on 9 and minute hand should be on 12. Okay, then next question. At 11:30 we saw a murky pond with crocodiles in it. Murky pond means children the cloudy water. It is caused by tiny particles of waste suspended in pond water. Okay. Now at what time they have seen? They have saw at 11:30. Then we have to draw here the 11:30. Just now I told shorthand is in between 11 and 12. Shorthand is in between 11 and 12 and the minute hand is on 6. Okay, some example I have done for you children. The other example you have to do. Now let's see children. Just now we have drawn the hands for half an hour later and half past. Like that only you have to solve or you have to draw a minute and hour hand for the given time. Okay, for this time you have to draw the hour hand and the minute hand. Now next question, write the time as shown in the clock. Here the time is given in the clock and you have to read this time and write the time correctly here. Now here children, the hour hand and the minute hand is on 12. Okay, means there is exact 12 o'clock. Okay, you have to write the time in digital form. 12 o'clock means 12.00. Okay, now here children, next example, the hour hand is in between. You can see here the hour hand is between 9 and 10 and the minute hand is on 6, means it is showing time 9:30 or half past 9. 9:30 means 9.30. Again one time I have to remember you children, the time before the dot means this is the dot, the time before the dot indicate the hour and the time after the dot indicate the minute. Two example I have done for you. Next example you have to do children. The next question, use the day strip given below to answer the following question. Here is the day strip given from Monday to Sunday. Okay, now count Monday as the first day of the week. Now tell which day will come. Children, in my first video of this lesson I have explained the days of the week. Okay, now 6 days after Thursday. Children, here is the Thursday. Then you have to count. Here is the Thursday. You have to count 6 days after Thursday. First day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day and sixth day. 6th day after Thursday it comes here the Wednesday. Okay, write down here Wednesday. Okay, now children, 3 days after Saturday. Okay, 3 days after Saturday. Where is Saturday? Here is the Saturday. And 3 days after Saturday, 1, 2, 3. What will come? Tuesday. Write down here Tuesday. Next question, 14 days after Friday. Where is Friday? Here is the Friday. 14 days after Friday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, see 14 days after Friday. Friday is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Which day come? Again Friday only comes. Okay, means 14 days means 2 week. Okay, here what will come? Friday only come. Okay. Now children, other example you have to do by your own. Look on the summary of this lesson, the time lesson. Children, in the first session we have learnt about the days of the week. Children, please learn all the 7 days of the week, and we should write always the days of the week in capital. Okay? You can see here there are the 7 days of the week. Okay? 5 days are the weekdays and the Saturday and the Sunday is the weekend. Okay? After the days of the week, we have learnt about the month of the year. Okay? Children, there are 12 months in a year. Please learn the name of the month of the year with the correct spellings. Take the screenshot of these months of the year and write down here in your notebook and learn it. After that, we learn about the reading the clock by analog clock and digital clock. Okay? Hope children you all have understood the concept of days of the week, month of the year, how many months are having 31 days and how many months are having 30 days, and after that reading the clock, that is analog clock and the digital clock, how to read it. Then we will meet in our next session children. Till that time, goodbye, have a nice day and thank you.